SIKITUT Rechargeable Milk Frother, electric foam maker with 2 stainless steel whisks, 3-speed handheld mini blender for Dalgona coffee, latte, cappuccino, egg mix and more. Bonus extra 16 PCS Art Stencils. USB rechargeable design. This milk frother has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, which can be recharged and reused. No need to waste money to buy more disposable batteries. This foam maker has a micro USB charging port. You can charge it with a USB charger, power bank, or computer at any time. 2 whisk types. The frother is equipped with 2 different stainless steel whisk heads. They can be used as foam maker to make a rich foam layer such as bulletproof coffee, latte and cappuccino, and also can be used as egg beater to whip the eggs into a thick layer for making cake. 3-speed adjustable for smooth taste. The milk frother has a powerful motor, 3 speeds at 6,000, 9,000, 13,000 RPM. You can choose different speed according to different needs. Our latest model, every speed can be directly off, no need to switch from low speed to high speed and then off. Upgraded assembly for steady performance. We are proud to introduce the upgrade milk frother to all coffee lovers. Compared with the previous version, installing or removing the whisk head is more effortlessly without resulting in wobbling issues or product damages. More fun with extra art stencils. We provide 16 pieces extra art stencils for coffee lovers. Various art stencils can facilitate your fun of latte and cappuccino, make your coffee and drink more tasty and good looking. Enjoy your relax moment. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.